You've been asking about the cottage in the background for videos, and you've seen it complete. We've never spoken about it. I'm sure you've wondered how we built it, or is it our cottage or is it not? We've actually never told the whole story. So today I'm just gonna take you to the very beginning, back to when this was just an empty space where there was our garden and a big dream. So back to when we had no idea if we could actually build something from scratch. It wasn't just a building project, it was our construction university, and everything we've learned here, we're about to use it for something much bigger. Let me show you how it all began. Welcome back to Test of Home. I'm Ishmael, and you've been part of our homesteading journey for a while now. You've seen our garden grow, our chickens thrive, and yes, you've seen the cottage in the background of our videos uncompleted, but we've never actually told you the full story of how we built it, why we built it, and most importantly, what building it taught us about our bigger dreams. This is the story of how we went from having an idea to having the skills and confidence to build our dream homestead. This cottage build, it was our training ground for Zimbabwe. Today I'm taking you back to the beginning, back to when this was just an empty space with our garden on it, and we had a vision. Back to the planning, the coordination, the execution of a complete building project. This cottage wasn't just a building project, it was our preparation for something much bigger. Let me show you how it all came together. This is the story of how we coordinated a complete construction project from foundation to finish. This cottage build, it was our preparation for building in Zimbabwe. When we started this project, we knew we needed to understand every aspect of construction management. We had dreams of building our homestead, but we needed to prove to ourselves that we could successfully coordinate a complex build. You've seen our past videos where we do renovations, but look at this activity. Materials arriving, contractors coordinating, equipment and logistics. There is just so much to take in. This was our introduction to construction and project management. We knew that if we were going to build our homestead in Zimbabwe, we needed to understand how to coordinate trades, manage timelines, and ensure quality results. So we decided to build this cottage as our project management education for construction. Every process we oversaw here, every challenge we solved, every coordination issue we managed, it was all preparation for the bigger project, the project of building our rural homestead. So there's actually two things. There's our homestead and there's our dream home. We'll get into that. Now, foundation work taught us our first major lesson about construction project management, the importance of proper planning and coordination. What you're seeing here represents weeks of planning and site preparation, material coordination, contractor scheduling. Everything had to come together at the right time. Watch this concrete work. This level of quality doesn't happen by accident. It requires special and careful specification in terms of quality material and experienced contractors working to proper standards. See how methodical this process is? Every step planned, every measurement verified, every standard maintained. We learned that successful construction requires systematic project management. These coordination skills, planning, scheduling, quality control, we knew we'd need all of this when we manage our homestead construction. Now, look at this beamwork. It shows the importance of working with skilled professionals. Quality results come from combining planning with experienced execution. We learned that successful project management means understanding the work well enough to ensure quality while respecting expertise of skilled trades. Even boundary wall construction taught us valuable lessons about coordinating different aspects of a build. See the quality of this work. This level of craftsmanship comes from clear specifications, quality material, and skilled execution. We learned that every aspect of construction, no matter how simple it appears, requires proper planning and quality control. These project management skills will be essential when we are coordinating multiple trades and systems for a homestead build. Now, site preparation taught us about environmental planning and professional coordination. Working with tree professionals showed us the importance of specialized expertise for specific tasks. Some aspects of construction require professional knowledge and equipment. We learned that good project management means knowing when to bring in specialists and how to coordinate the work in terms of project goals. So the coordination skills we developed here, like planning, scheduling, quality oversight, is essential preparation for managing a homestead construction. So there's your first look at how this cottage build began. But here's what this story is really about. This cottage wasn't just a building project, it was our construction management education program. Every process we coordinated here, like foundation work, wall construction, electricals, plumbing, finishing work, we knew we'd need all of this management experience for our ultimate goal: successfully building our homestead in Zimbabwe. This was our project management training ground. This was where we learned to coordinate trades, maintain quality standards, and deliver successful results on time as well. So in the next few episodes, you see wall construction and plastering, coordination, plus how we manage the transition from structural work to electricals, as well as preparation for the finishes. So I just want you to know that this isn't just a building series. It's going to be a story of how we developed the project management skills needed for our biggest dream, which is our dream home in Zimbabwe. And then if you want to see how we coordinated every aspect of this build, make sure you're subscribed and drop a comment below. What construction projects are you planning to coordinate? Let us know in the comments. Please like the video and subscribe if you want to learn more about planning your own building project. And remember, successful construction is as much about coordination and management as it is about the technical skills required to do the actual build. So in our next video, you're gonna see us coordinating multiple trades and maintaining quality standards through the build. Thanks for joining and subscribing to our video and our day-to-day videos as well about a homestead. Please like and subscribe. So we'll see you in the next video.